Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something seriously special. The Tesla Cybertruck dressed in this absolutely jaw-dropping green finish. Up front, that full-width LED light bar steals the show. It's clean, modern, and instantly recognizable, a perfect match for the Cybertruck's bold, angular design. Whether it's sunrise or pitch-black night, these lights make a statement before the truck even moves. From the side, those sharp lines meet the rugged stance, riding on 20-inch core wheels wrapped in all-season tires. These aren't just for looks. They're ready to tackle city streets, highways, and off-road trails with equal confidence. But this Cybertruck isn't just about making a bold statement. It's about living the adventure. Mounted on the back is this incredible camping setup that transforms the truck into your ultimate home on wheels. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious sleeping area that easily fits 3 adults, or 2 adults and 2 kids. The built-in lighting creates a warm, inviting glow at night, perfect for winding down after a day on the road. Beneath it all, a rock-solid steel base ensures stability wherever you park. And here's the smart part. There's generous storage underneath for your gear, tools, or even extra food for the trip. It's functional, comfortable, and designed to make every mile of your journey count. So whether it's a cross-country road trip, a weekend in the mountains, or an off-grid escape, this Cybertruck camping setup is ready to make it unforgettable. If you enjoyed this look at the Cybertruck, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment.